Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, do you like trains? I like to watch trains going by. They go clickety-clack down the track. So today, we're going to make some trains. I'm going to start with a piece of paper. I'm going to draw my train track. You have to put the cross ties in it. And then we need to add our engine. And I just have some squares or rectangles cut out here for the box cars. And you'll have to glue these on. I didn't glue them on. Just a very simple train craft. And then, of course, we need some wheels. Our engine already has wheels, but these guys need wheels. One, two for the box cars. Oh, I like pink wheels. And we have some green wheels. Let's see what else we have. Oh, how about some orange wheels? There, we have a nice little train, and you might want to decorate those box cars. I'm just going to add some sun. Sorry about that. I'm going to make a little sun to add to my creation. I might want to draw a face on my sun. And I've got some cotton balls. I'm going to add a little bit of clouds to mine. Because not all days are completely sunny. There's usually a few clouds out there. And there we have some clouds. And you could add anything else if you want to add some birds maybe. Flying in the sky. Some steam coming out of that engine. All kinds of things you could add. And that's just a very simple train craft that you can do at home. And if you'd like to have this craft, we have some at the library for you, or you can just make them at home. So have a good day and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.